We regret to announce the death of Joseph Balery, better known as Kitch or Odwe of Cooleytown. He passed away at his residence on Monday, 5th November 2018 at about 12:20 p.m. He was 87 years old. He was predeceased by his wife, Laura Gabriel, grandson, Kimbert Alexander, his children, Mary Gabriel, better known as Auntie, proprietress of Auntie's Place on Darling Road, Castries, Gibbs Gabriel, better known as Matthias of Cooleytown. Two stepchildren, Angela Alexander in the USA, Sonia Alexander of Radwe Orchard. Grandchildren, Mariana Gariel, a registered nurse at the St. Lucia National Mental Wellness Center. Nadia Alexander, Special Police Constable 58, attached to the Traffic Department. Matoya Gabriel, employed with Automotive Art. Emma Alexander, employed with Auntie's Place. Jarell Gariel, employed with Auntie's Place. Manasseh Alexander, employed with Sandals Grand. Great-grandchildren, Soliva Alexander, employed with Sandals Halcyon. Jamal Alexander of Cooleytown. Chelsea Alexander of Cooleytown. Great-great-grandchildren, Raven James. Also left to mourn, Randolph Joseph, Anna Imab, a registered nurse of St. Lucia National Mental Wellness Center, Dorothy Thomas and family of Cooleytown, Catherine James and family of Forrester, the Peter family of Auger. His caretakers, Janice Alexander, better known as Akum, of Cooleytown. The funeral service for the late Joseph Balery, better known as Kitch or Odwe, will take place at the Holy Family Roman Catholic Church in Jacmel on Wednesday, 14th November 2018 at 3 p.m. Then the body will be laid to rest at the Jacmel Cemetery. May his soul rest in eternal peace. The body now lies at Rambali's funeral parlor on Calvary Road, Castries.